subscribe to your point of view, hit the bell icon and get notified each time I upload a new video. Because whatever you do, winter is coming.
Hey, what's happening guys, it's your host Amok back with another interesting video. And today we will be doing the full review of this Asus Zenbook UX430U. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, I want to thank Asus India for sending this laptop as a review unit. This laptop is available in India for the price of Rs 94,000 for the base model, and it goes all the way up to 1,25,000 depending upon which model you buy. If you wish to purchase this laptop, then I have provided the direct link to purchase it in the description below, so do check it out. Now coming back to the review, I have been using this laptop for 2 weeks now, and after testing its various aspects, I can tell you both good as well as bad things about this laptop. So let's divide this review into pros and cons and find out if this laptop is really worth to spend 94,000. So let's start with the pros, and the first pro is about the build quality and design. This laptop is completely made out of metal, whereas the front panel is made up of glass. This metal plus glass combo gives this machine a very premium look and feel. Also, as far as design, Asus did not choose to compromise here. The total weight of this laptop is just 1.25 kg, which makes it very easy when it comes to mobility. Also, it's just 15.9 mm thin, which is also a very good thing. Now, unlike many other brands who compromise on ports in the name of making thinner edges and Type-C connectors, Asus this time has provided all the necessary ports and few dongles too out of the box. To the left, you get charging port, a USB 3.0 port, micro HDMI port, a 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C port. Whereas to the right, you get another USB 3.0 port, a card reader slot and few indicators. You also get two dongles out of the box, which includes a micro HDMI to HDMI cable and a LAN cable dongle. If you wish to know more about what comes inside the box, then check out my unboxing video by clicking on this card. Now the second thing, which is another strong point of this laptop, is its performance. This laptop is powered by Intel's latest Core i7 8th generation processor, which is backed by 8GB of RAM and 2GB of graphic card. You also get 512GB of SSD drive for faster boot times. So overall, in terms of both light as well as heavy usage, you should not have any types of issues with the same. Now moving on to the third pro, which is about the screen quality. This laptop is having a 14 inches of Full HD 1080p display with 100% NTSC gamut, which has a very good viewing angles, and also the color reproduction is fantastic. You also get an auto brightness sensor in it, which can be very handy in some cases. Now the next thing I really like about this is the speaker output. You get two speakers at the bottom, which are powered by Harman Kardon. And I have to say, the speaker output is very loud. It has a bit of a depth in it, which sounds very nice. Here's a quick demo. Then the next thing I really like is the keyboard and trackpad. The keyboard of this laptop is very smooth to type on, and the key travel is also very fast. You also get a backlit LED inside of it for typing at night. And also the trackpad sensitivity is very smooth. And you also have a fingerprint scanner for additional security. So these were the things I like about this laptop. Now let's talk about the few cons which you should consider if you're planning to buy this. And the first con is about its battery life. The battery backup of this laptop is simply average in my opinion. When it comes to charging time, it is acceptable given that it takes about 1 hour 15 minutes to charge from 10 to 100%, but when it comes to real life usage, it is very average. On normal usage, it will last for about 3.5 to 4 hours, Whereas if you play games and watch movies continuously, then it will last for just about 2 hours, which is strictly below average in my opinion. Also, it gets pretty warm due to the metal back while doing some heavy work. Then also due to its glass front panel, it can catch fingerprints and also scratches very easy, which doesn't look good sometimes. So to conclude the video here, if you ask me, is this laptop worth to buy at Rs 94,000? I would say if you want a very slim and lightweight laptop and don't want to ditch Microsoft Windows, and of course the most important, if you have a budget of Rs 94,000 and want to invest in a laptop only, then you can consider buying this machine. But then again, if portability is not your concern and you want proper value for money performance, then I would surely advise you to build a PC which will perform much better than this. So that's it for this video guys, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel for some more tech related videos in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Amog and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye and take care.